guys, today we're going to be checking out Avengers Campus at Disney's California Adventure with my daughter Sabrina and my sister Karen. It's going to be so much fun. Come check it out.
Welcome to Avengers Campus.
Hi everyone, I'm with Sabrina here with Evelyn. We're very excited to be here with Evelyn.
You're happy?
And we're gonna have a good time.
Today we're looking forward to trying some new foods, maybe some new drinks at the Pim's Test Kitchen, and also seeing some cool characters walking around, like little Chip here. It's pretty packed, it's pretty full, and it's really hot today, so we're going to enjoy some good
Here I am going to try my delicious Mickey Mouse ice cream sandwich.
Guys, WandaVision was one of our favorite shows. Did you catch it? If not, you can still check it out on Disney+. Guys, this is so cool. We saw that we can get some unique artwork here. So we got something for Alex. We know he likes Spider-Man. We got his name, and then we got the Little Mermaid for Sabrina because that's her favorite. All right, Mama. Look how fun that was. Here's Daddy over here.
Everybody trying to get into the tiny little store. Look, they have the big ride over there.
More fun than climbing stairs. Don't forget to tag me on your video. Hashtag Amazing Spider-Man.
The spider bot right there.
Hey everyone, looking good down there. Wow, this is a friendly neighborhood. Welcome to Avengers Campus. Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, me? Well, you know, just spider stuff. Okay, time to run some tests.
Spider-Man,
Oh, hey, Sharon.
shall we conduct an altitude test?
Yeah, I guess I should do some work.
Always good to have the data.
On my way. Just need to find a clear path and something to swing from. Oh yeah, it's go time.
You excited to see?
Testing.
He's going to jump. You're excited?
Okay, no pressure, but there are a lot of people watching. Clear the runway. Spider-Man is cleared for takeoff. Oh no, this might hurt. I'm okay.
That was so cool.
Roof broke my fall.
You saw it, Mama? Wasn't that cool?
I'm good. I'm good. That was less amazing than I planned. Woo! Sharon, did you get that?
I got the data.
Okay, crash test. Check. Hang on, I'll be right down. I bet this looks cool.
This little store has pretty cool merch. It's all Spider-Man themed. It has web. It has the little spider robots. There's jackets and t-shirts and hats and all kind of toys. It's kind of cool. Definitely worth checking out. favorite things is always checking out the little details. Disney is just the best. You cannot top them. Olaf is ready for summer.
What you got there, Sabrina? What flavor?
We just walked into a store and checked out some of the cool merch they have right now. Sabrina's playing with some of it. Some of it looks like cool collections, like Haunted Mansion, and you have Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh, of course, you can't forget the Tiki Room. That one's always a hit. Some cute stuff here, worth checking out. They got some cute precious moments. I don't know why, but they remind me of the newspaper clippings, the ones that said "Love is." Do you guys remember those? And Darkwing Duck takes me back to my childhood. I used to love watching all the cartoons. Did you guys have a favorite? This person is so creative. She really enjoyed the Loki TV show. Props to them.
Here we are waiting for our drinks. It's very hot.
While we're waiting, at least we're lucky enough to catch some of the cool shows they got here. They're always a lot of fun. Get him, Black Panther. I love him. He's one of my favorites.
This is not going to end well for you.
Alright, my husband got some refreshments.
Finally got the drinky drinks.
Let me see. Oh, this is yours. This is the one that has mango. It's called the Experiment.
Try it. Wow.
What do you think?
Nice. Very strong. Tiene mucho vino.
It's tequila.
Yours. Let's try yours.
All right. This one is the Honey Buzz that I got. Here we are tasting the Honey Buzz. Has a little honey stick. Pretty.
You guys take pictures?
That is nice. Oh my god. It tastes like just honey, but it's really refreshing. It's really cold. It's really nice. It's very sweet. It's called honey, right?
Yeah, it's just like limon.
¿Qué sabe?
Like
Tastes like a cough drop. Honey lemon.
I like it. Is this a mango? I like that one too. They're both really sweet. That one's mango. Has the mango little pearls.
yeah, that was strong.
I like it. You don't like that one?
Tastes like perfume.
Perfume.
Pretty strong.
Did you like it?
Surprisingly, I like this one better.
The honey?
Me too, surprisingly. Out of both of them.
I like them both. Gimme, gimme. But I'm just gonna have one. My hunky hubby, my hunky,
I like these beakers.
I think you guys need to get a set for the house.
That one looks like the carne asada my dad makes. Okay.
It has a thing on the bottom.
It looks like a fancy mini conchita.
Right?
Is that what it is?
It's like a cream puff.
The pineapple churro. Tell us about your churro. Let me see it. ¿A qué sabe? You don't like it? It's supposed to be pineapple.
No?
A ver, let me try. Alright, so we're gonna try the green churro.
Yeah, ready?
Ready.
Not bad.
I taste pineapple, but
It tastes like a churro with pineapple essence. Like at the end.
it tastes like, I don't know.
But it tastes like churro.
Le falta la canela. Like, no tiene.
No, I taste it. It tastes like churro to me.
The ending tastes weird.
The ending tastes like pineapple.
I don't think I like the ending. I don't know. The ending's like,
I don't know.
I don't want to say burned, but there's like a
That's
weird.
what churros taste like here.
No, I like regular churro better.
Let's try it. Try it.
Hmm. Ooh, that. Beautiful. Alright, taste it, yeah? Seems like it's pretty soft.
It's pretty good, actually.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like raspberry cheesecake, which is what it's supposed to be. And it's nice because it's really cold inside and it's tart.
It's tart.
It is. So this is kind of sweet on the outside and then you have the tart raspberry cheesecake on the inside. Want to try it?
What is it? Like out of 5, what would you give it?
4.
It's like a 4 to 5?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
I like it. It does taste sweet. Not too sweet. It's not too sweet, which is I like that. A ver, show me. Spider-Man.
This made us so sad. Hopefully we can get a standby line one day instead of the virtual queue. But we're gonna enjoy the rest of the park. We're gonna go hang out at Monsters, Inc.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monsters Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Metropolis.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
Mike Wazowski's my favorite.
There's nothing down here.
I remember when this ride was a Hollywood limousine ride. Does anyone else remember that?
We're almost there, kiddo.
You like it, Mama?
I love you, kiddo.
Good night, boo. Kitty's gotta go now.
Hello, humans. Young man, in the second row. You are quite a hunk, sir.
You heard that, Hunky?
Ah, here we can see Goofy trying to catch something. Eric loves fishing, so maybe they'll go fishing one day. Have fun, guys.
Tell me what you want to do today.
Today we want you to go on aerial ride again.
Like a shipwreck.
Of course, this is Sabrina's favorite ride. And she gets to ride with Dia Karen. Hi, Dia.
No big deal. I want
In the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light and made a switch. Yes.
Hey, here's Clarabelle. Who's that guy? We got characters from Zootopia. Hey there. Did you guys like that movie? Just want to snuggle up with all of them. Look at the cool merch. Chanclas, yes. Flip-flops. Cool pins. Ooh, there's some nice ones. Do you guys collect pins? I like this hat. Ooh, that's nice for Alex. These ears are so cute. Yes, they would match every pair of jeans. Oh, hello there. Ooh, the trolley treats. They have such a beautiful display. Look at that. They have a little trolley that goes around. Want to eat everything. Mmm.
Oh, listen. Aren't these cool? It looks real.
Look, the train.
A train. See you real soon.
Next, we're gonna go park hopping to Disneyland. Check out part 2 of our adventure, the Disneyland Day Trip of June 2021.